Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I already did a video on me getting the Norvina palette, but I wanted to show you what I got for my 20% Sephora haul for the VIB Rouge. I went outside my box and I didn't just get makeup, I got some hair products and some face products as well. So I just wanted to show you those. I went ahead and got the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleepy Mask and the face mask. I haven't tried these, but my face has been super dry from the weather that I think I really need these. And hey, I'm 32, so I figured it's really time to start using that retinol and start really taking care of my skin and moisturizing it and doing good things for it, because I want to keep a fresh face. I don't mind aging, I don't mind getting older, I just don't really want to look it, which is everybody's kind of thing, but you know, take care of the skin you're in. I also got a lot of hair stuff. So I got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-in Mask. So you just shake it up and spray it on your hair, and then I guess comb it through. So far I haven't seen crazy results. You know, you're not going to see it it's the first day you use it. So I'm testing it out. I also got the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil and the BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil. Now my roots, of course, they look greasy. They're not really greasy, but they tend to look more greasy than the rest of my hair because it's been dyed so much, so the rest of it looks a little dry. So I've been trying to wash my hair a little less and put more oils on the bottom and just massage them in so that it will, you know, get a little healthier. Who doesn't like the healthy hair? So I went outside of my box for that. Now completely inside my box, I got stuff that I've been wanting to get for a while. This is the Tarte Let It Rainbow little mini palette. I thought these colors were just really cute, especially when you're traveling. You want a whole little bunch of pop of colors, and it doesn't take up that much space. It's little, it's cute, it's good pigment, it's Tarte. I like it. I also have been eyeballing this High Tides and Good Vibes palette. I need a really good glitter glue for the middle row. And I feel it has a good amount of neutrals and blues, and when you have these two together, you don't really need anything else. Well, me personally, because I just love color so much that's what I gravitate towards. I went a little and the Natasha Denona Lila palette, and all of its pretty purples and pinks, and again some neutrals. I got this, it was discounted to $99, and then with my 20% it was even cheaper, so why not? I did get the coral palette. I'm a little disappointed in it. I feel like online it looks like such better pigment and pretty color, and this color in the middle is pretty, but I feel like she has these tones in all of her palettes, and I'm just like over it. Although the quality is amazing, it's just I want a better color story. The thing that I really enjoyed that I got at the tail end of that day was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection. This is amazing. I already did another video on this, and this is actually the eye look I'm wearing right now. But I think this is amazing. All the different colors. There's not really any neutrals, so to speak. It's just neutral colors in the same family. I don't know. I think it's so bright, so fun, so much pigment, not a lot of kick up. It's very different from the standard ones that she's had, so I really enjoy this. I know I kind of spoke a little fast, but that was a little of my haul. I also got the Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil. It is still in the mail, and I got this Milk foundation. Now it's a little more high coverage than I'm used to. It is a really good match for my skin tone, but since my skin's super dry, I want to wait till it gets a little more moisturized before I really test this out and give it a try and give it a whirl. But short video, just a little haul from what I have gotten from my Sephora VIB Rouge sale. You know what, I'm just going to throw in some other stuff that I got too. Now, whenever I go shopping, I go to several stores. So that was my Sephora haul. Now for Ulta, I went ahead and got the Anastasia and Alyssa, is it Alyssa? I don't remember, honestly. But I got this cute little palette. I think I did a video on it already. But I got this for free because of all my Ulta points. This was free. I had enough points that this was free. Super awesome. I went ahead and grabbed 3 new Morphe lipsticks, Megamats. I'm wearing this one right here in Confess. And then we have Goosebumps, which is darker brown. The Top, which is kind of a rosy color. Now I got these because I had 20% off, so they were like $7. And I do like them. There's no scent. It has a little pull because of Megamat. It's not really drying, but it's not moisturizing by any means. But I just thought they were really nice neutral colors to bring out and wear. I also went ahead and dove a little deeper into the Barbie and Pure Cosmetics collection. You know, I already made a video where I got the lipsticks, but I saw Tate's video and I could not resist the highlighter, so I swatched it in stores and it was just super, super, super pretty. So all 3 separate. Okay, I'll get a little closer, and then if you just like mix them all together, it's just so pretty. It is just popping. I especially love this one in the center. Oh my gosh, it's just icy. It's beautiful. So I really wanted to get that. I didn't realize that the packaging had these, it kind of reminds me of like back in the day, the little rocks, the pink rocks. You used to have the shell necklaces and everything. It's really cute with all the little bowls and the sparkles and those little shell things. That just takes me back. And I was convinced to buy the eyeshadow palette. Like, I wasn't going to buy the eyeshadow palette. I was like, no, I'm not going to do it. Same top of the packaging. And then somebody was like, it was so nice. You can do neutrals and then you can add those pops of colors. So I'm excited to try this. I was so talked into it. It's so pretty. So I got it. So before I feel any guilt here about all the things that I keep buying, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all get on with your day. So let me know what you got from the sale. Do you find any of this interesting? How do you like it? Are you into it? Are you not into color? Just all that good stuff. But thank you so much. Let me know if you want me to do more looks with a certain palette or a certain color family. Just let me know. Please just let me know. And yeah, I believe that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you later.